Recently, nagpunta kami sa Manila for an overnight stay at Swiss-Belhotel Blulane. Located at Tomas Mapua corner Ongpin Streets, it offers easy access to Manila's Chinatown in Binondo. This hotel is one of the most affordable hotels you could find in Manila's Chinatown. It's conveniently situated near popular attractions such as Binondo Church, Ongpin Gold Shops, and Chinatown's famous food spots. Their rooms are clean and spacious, perfect for families or group of friends. Sobrang in-enjoy talaga namin yung stay namin dito. And of course, hindi namin pinalampas na matry ang iba't ibang pagkain na ina-offer nila sa kanilang restaurant. For breakfast, we chose Filipino breakfast with daing na bangus and beef tapa. Must try din yung pork binagoongan and Binondo Pasit Canton. Huwag nyo rin kalimutang itry yung Swiss signature ensaymada as well as the bibingka ensaymada. So kung naghahanap kayo ng budget-friendly hotel sa Binondo, mag-book na kayo sa Swiss-Belhotel Blulane. It's a great option for those looking to immerse themselves in the vibrant atmosphere of Manila's Chinatown. May tip nga pala ako sa inyo kasi trip.com will be having a 3-3 mega sale from February 29 to March 3. Madaming sale, vouchers, and discount coupons ang available. Huge discounts on hotels and flights ang naghihintay sa inyo. Best of all, you can now pay using GCash. So what are you waiting for? Download the trip.com app now.